I'm gonna go ahead and cover all my walls, all the inside, like this. I'm gonna go ahead and press that down and here we go. Let's get the outside covered just like we did the inside. Go. Look at that shine. Nice. And into a little bit of Parmesan. Just like this. And like that. Like this. Beautiful. Perfect. Look at this. Let's move on, y'all. Just like that. Grab this beautiful baby. And let's go, y'all. Look at that beauty. Sis. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Now let's go in here. Shred that baby apart. We're going to use this, mix it up with all this nice bark. Smells delicious. Now we're going to go ahead, slide in our garlic bread. Right here, we get a nice thick slice of this brisket. And we're going to go ahead and place it inside our garlic bread. We're going to build this brisket lasagna like this. Look at that. We have some barbecue sauce. We're going to go ahead and pour in here. We have some pre-baked, pre-cooked lasagna slices like this. Look at that. Go in here. We got some vintage matured cheddar to honor this beautiful, beautiful brisket. And we continue building. We get another slice. Baby. And we go. Grab a little more lasagna, nicely covered in barbecue sauce. And one last one here. Make sure it is covered, y'all. Beautiful, like that. We're gonna finish off real quick with a tiny bit more of sauce. And a little shredded mozzarella. Some of this excess that we have on the tray, we're gonna go ahead and put it on top, get a nice little crust. And we are off to the oven. All right, y'all, 15 little minutes. Let's get this cheese nice and grated. Boy, let's go.